Welcome to Hologa Niue 2026.
Hologa is the Niue word for descendant. So Hologa Niue are all of the descendants of Niue coming together.
A festival that's bringing all the villagers here today to not only showcase Niue arts, but to showcase our stories as well as our Vili Niue.
But also this is a different festival to other festivals. We've got young children and matuas that we all can go on stage and proudly represent our maanga.
It's so beautiful to come together as 13 villages to celebrate our unique culture.
It's so heartwarming to see the Niue community come together, to see that, we're trying to keep our language alive.
The purpose for me is seeing more than one generation on stage, and the intergenerational learning that happens at practices. We have 4 generations at sometimes where we've got a great-grandmother, a grandmother, a mother, and their child.
It's very emotional. It's very emotional to be there dancing and knowing that my daughter, my son, and 8 grandchildren are with me, and also nieces and nephews. So it's so beautiful, very humble.
Hologa is a big family arena for our people. Like 13 villages all performing in one stadium, all together as one. It's just like, you just never see that happening, which I'm grateful for. Like TSN has started something for our younger generations to carry on our culture, but I get to still perform with my family even, which is even better for me, just being a part of it.
It's good to learn the new Niue songs, the old Niue songs from other mangas. So I think kids should get involved with as many groups as they can and they can handle, just to learn your wakaho.
I'm going to be honest, it hasn't been an easy journey. At the end of the day, it's what matters most is when we're all on stage, we're representing our maanga mainly.
I think probably the biggest challenge that has come with all of this has just been having to, learn the language as well as Vili Niue, having to balance all of that together, and I think it's the same for a lot of other people, but overall I think it's a good learning experience, not just for myself, but everyone as a whole.
Me, I'm proud. I've always loved performing arts and performing for my culture and anything, learning the songs, the koli, especially from our matuas. It's just a privilege to pass down old lolongos and messages just from our tufunas. It's just very inspiring to our younger generations as well.
At the end of the day, we're one people, we're Niue, and it's been an awesome journey. Can't wait for the next 1 and 2 years' time, so I'm looking forward to that.
It is going to be biannual. It's a big job, logistics-wise, but at the end of the day, that brings everybody together.